As you can see here, my camper fan has seen better days. So we're going to go find ourselves one and print it up with a 3D printer. My favorite place to go is over to Thingiverse here. Do a little searching around. Found this little fan here, USB one. Looked like everything worked right. Read the specs on it. Seemed happy. Download the file. Put it in Kira. Edited the size a little bit. Had to do a little ununiform scaling in Scale Z. Checked out the preview, make sure it worked right. Kicked it over to my 3D printer. Let it print it out here. Did a pretty good job. Had a little stringiness, but it wiped right off. Brought it up to the camper here. Had a little backup plan in case it didn't fit, where I could drill the hole out and get it to fit snugly up there, but I lucked out. Everything pushed on freely. Gave it a little spin. Got ready here to turn it on. Look at that. See in the bottom right corner there, everything blowing? I have to get a vacuum in there.